Hi guys, this is Brigitta, and today I'm going to tell you guys a story about my last summer vacation in Singapore. I went there with my family for 5 days trip. There are my parents, both of my brothers, my uncle, my auntie, 4 of my cousins, my grandma, also my brother's nanny. On the first day after arrival, we had straight to our hotel using a car for approximately 1 hour. We stayed at the Paradox Merchant Hotel. After checking in, we went to grab our lunch at the Liao Fan Hawker, the cheapest Michelin-starred eatery located at Chinatown. Except grabbing our lunch, we also bought some souvenirs and snacks, also taking photos. And at night, we had a walk at the Clark Quay Riverside and had our dinner at the Hai Di Lao Hot Pot. Moving on to the next day. So on that day, we went to the Sentosa Island and we had a lot of fun. At the Sentosa Island, we went into the sea aquarium and I saw a lot of marine animals. But my favorite was the sleeping sharks. After walking around the aquarium for approximately maybe 2 hours, we went out and strolled again around the island. It was really beautiful and mesmerizing. But yeah, we got tired and hungry, so we went to the Vivo City Mall to grab some lunch at the Food Republic. And much later, we went to the Iron Mall to have our dinner at the Food Opera. Also, we had ate the most famous $1 ice cream. It was so delicious. On the third day, we went to the Gardens by the Bay using MRT. Since we took the MRT, we exited at the south entrance of Gardens by the Bay. So we need to take a walk on the path until we reach the Cloud Forest Dome. Personally, for me, I was very charmed by the path that I was walk on, as there was a many trees along the side and the environment was very pleasant. Besides entering the Cloud Forest Dome, we also entered the Flower Dome. For me, both of them was very pretty, unique with their own style, but my favorite was the Cloud Forest Dome because there was many activities and things to do. And at the same time, when I go there was an avatar exhibition. And the feelings inside was quite chill and cold. At night, we went to have our dinner at one of the Korean barbecue restaurants near my hotel. Also, we went for shopping at Don Don Key. And here's the pic of that day. On the fourth day, we went to the Art and Science Museum. It was very fun and interesting. There's a lot of activities and games to do there, and one of them is this airplane. I draw it, they scan it, and it popped out at the large monitor. It was very cool, and I highly recommended you guys to come and visit this place. Next up, we went to the Marina Square to accompany my younger siblings to play at the Pororo Park. Lastly, we went to the Merlion statue, but unfortunately, we didn't get the chance to watch the show. On the next day, I had to wake up really early and pack my things up, then head to the airport. It is because my flight to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia was at 9 a.m. in the morning, and we left the hotel at 6 a.m. Personally, I was very happy, excited, and satisfied with this trip to Singapore. It reminded me with my first trip to Singapore, and Singapore will always be a great place to visit and to go. Bye bye, this is Brigitta, and see you next time.